Hi guys, welcome to another one of my baking tutorials. Today I have a recipe that will make your taste buds go wild. So get ready for some ultimate indulgent giant double chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are soft, they have a fudgy centre and are slightly crisp from the edges. They are loaded with rich chocolatey goodness, they are enormous and so incredibly addictive. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 170°C and let's get on with making these delicious cookies. I'm going to start by sifting some cocoa powder in a bowl. This is purely to take out the lumps, so we have some fine cocoa powder. I'm going to go ahead and add some melted butter to my cocoa powder and give that a really good mix. Once I achieved a thick texture like so, I poured that into my standing mixer. I then added in some white sugar and some brown sugar. So I gave that a spin for 2 minutes while I cracked my eggs in another bowl. If you don't have a standing mixer, you can use a handheld mixer. I'm now going to add the eggs and beat that for another 1 minute. So it's time to add a pinch of salt, some baking powder, and also some vanilla essence. I'm also going to add some plain flour and then I'm going to give that a good mix. So I was very careful not to overmix this, I just wanted to achieve a thick batter like so. I have transferred that into another bowl and now I'm going to prepare the cookie shapes. First of all, I'm going to get my favourite chocolate and cut it up into little pieces. I'm then going to chuck that all into the cookie mixture. I have cut some extra chocolate to put on the cookies before I bake them. I'm just going to ensure all of them chocolate chips are combined into the mixture. Now that the mixture is ready, I'm going to line my tins with some grease-proof paper. So I'm going to use my ice cream scoop so we have equal shapes for the cookies. So I am now ready to bake these cookies. I have decided to bake these in my air fryer oven. You can bake these cookies in a normal oven if you don't have an air fryer oven. I have left the settings in the description below. So I have baked these at 160°C for 15 minutes. So just after 15 minutes, them delicious cookies are ready to be taken out and to be put on the cooling rack. These cookies cooled for 1 hour and they were ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section, guys, and let me know what you think about this recipe. Thank you, guys. Till next time.